Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. US dollar index bounces off lows, looks to reclaim 96.00 and above. http ntvforex.com news ID F38F32 144 GMT by Pablo Piovano. DXY comes back after bottoming out in monthly lows near 95.70. Sellers turned up around EUR/USD, adding to USD buying. Housing data, initial claims, market SPMIS due later in the week. The greenback, in terms of the US dollar index DXY, is now regaining some poise near the key barrier at 96.00. The figure. US dollar index vigilant on EU summit, risk trends. The index met some decent support in the key 95.70 contention area June-July lows, managing to regain some buying traction and retest the 96.00 neighborhood on the back of the renewed offered bias mainly in EUR/USD. In fact, EUR/USD has given away initial gains and returned to the negative ground amidst increasing unease ahead of the EU summit, where funding for economies hit by the pandemic will be once again on top of the agenda. No data in the US docket today should leave all the attention to the housing sector, the usual weekly report on the labor market and preliminary prints from Market's Manufacturing Services PMIS, all to be released later in the week. What to look for around USD? The relentless advance of the COVID-19 pandemic in the US and across the world versus news of a potential vaccine that could be developed before markets' expectations plus the ongoing reopening of global economies are all driving the sentiment in the global markets and keep the dollar under pressure. On the constructive view of the dollar, bouts of risk aversion should support the investor's preference for the greenback as a safe haven along with its status of global reserve currency and store of value. US dollar index relevant levels. At the moment, the index is gaining 0.02% at 96.02 and a break above 97.80 weekly high June 30 would aim for 97.87 61.8% Fibo of the 2017-2018 drop and finally 98.19 200-day SMA. On the other hand, initial support aligns at 95.73 monthly low July 20 seconded by 94.65 2020 low March 9 and then 94.20 38.2% Fibo of the 2017-2018 drop. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.